Hello, loves. How are y'all doing? For those who don't know me, my name is Rochelle. I'm Brazilian and I've been living here in New York for 2 years now. Today, I'm here to share an incredible story about how Provestra changed my life during pre-menopause. If you're going through something similar, this experience might also be helpful for you. So, I'm a woman in my 40s and I started noticing some changes in my body and mood. Premenopause is not easy, guys. I was experiencing a lot of hot flashes, my libido wasn't at time low, and I was dealing with mood swings to make matters worse. My lack of sexual desire was affecting my relationship with my husband. I was worried and didn't know what to do to solve it all. That's when I heard about Provestra, a natural supplement that promised to increase libido and provide relief during premenopause. I confess, I was a bit skeptical at first, but I decided to give it a chance. I went to the official website, placed an order, and took advantage of the free shipping. Oh, and the best part is that they offer a 67-day guarantee, so I really had nothing to lose. As soon as Provestra arrived, I started taking as instructed one pill after breakfast, and to my surprise, in just 7 days, I already started noticing changes. My mood was more stable, hot flashes were more bearable, and most importantly, my libido began to return gradually. As the days went by, I noticed that vaginal lubrication also improved significantly, making our intimate moments much more enjoyable. And not only that, my sexual sensitivity increased, making every moment with my husband even more special. You have no idea how this changed the dynamics of my relationship. My husband was thrilled with the changes, and the connection we felt returned to how it used to be. Provestra truly made a huge difference in my life. So, I want to become here and tell you that if you're going through premenopause problems, don't despair. There are natural options like Provestra that can help improve your libido and relieve the symptoms during this period. Besides Provestra, I also am using an intimate gel to enhance libido and treatment. Virgo. Both are my allies for a higher libido. It's like a natural aphrodisiac, and I'm loving the results. I'll leave the links to the websites where above them in the description below for those who want to check out more information. And remember, you also have the 67-day guarantee, so you don't need to worry about losing money if it doesn't work for you. I hope my experience has been helpful for you, and if you already used Provestra or have any other tips for dealing with premenopause, leave in the comments so we can share knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, loves!